Hello and welcome to our YouTube video on what is artificial intelligence. In this video, we will be exploring the definition and applications of artificial intelligence (AI) in our daily lives. Artificial intelligence, also known as AI, is the development of computer systems that can perform tasks that would typically require human intelligence, such as understanding natural language, recognizing images, and making decisions. In other words, it is a technology that can learn and make decisions on its own without any human intervention. There are two types of AI: narrow AI and general AI. Narrow AI, also known as weak AI, is a type of AI that is programmed to perform a specific task, such as speech recognition or image classification. On the other hand, general AI, also known as strong AI, is an AI system that can perform any intellectual task that a human can do. AI has numerous applications in our daily lives, such as in healthcare, finance, transportation, and entertainment. For example, AI can be used to detect early signs of diseases, predict the stock market, assist in self-driving cars, and provide personalized recommendations for movies and TV shows. Machine learning is a subset of AI that focuses on the development of algorithms that can learn and improve over time by analyzing data. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning that uses artificial neural networks to process complex data and recognize patterns. This technology has enabled the development of applications such as voice assistants, image recognition, and self-driving cars. Despite the many benefits of AI, there are also challenges and ethical considerations that need to be addressed. For example, there are concerns about job displacement and the ethical implications of using AI in decision-making processes. There are also concerns about the transparency and accountability of AI systems and the potential for bias in their decision-making. In conclusion, artificial intelligence is a rapidly growing technology that has numerous applications in our daily lives. From healthcare to entertainment, AI has the potential to revolutionize the way we live and work. However, it is important to address the challenges and ethical considerations associated with AI to ensure that it is used in a responsible and transparent manner. Thank you for watching this video on what is artificial intelligence, and we hope you found it informative.